Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review and demo for this 10 by 10 pop-up canopy. Comes in this really nice bag that has wheels on it so you can easily move it around. To set it up, you just unbuckle the strap and unzip it. Inside you have your canopy, your user instructions, the metal frame, and then there's some stakes that are inside a little pocket. You can use that to secure it to the ground. It was very easy to get out of the bag and to put back in the bag, which is the most important part. I find like a lot of times when bags come with products like this, you can never get it back in how it was, but this was very easy to do. To set it up, you have one person at opposite ends and you walk it apart, lock it in place, and then you put the canopy top on. This canopy top is tan. It also comes in black and blue. Once you have it straightened out, there is Velcro at every corner of the tent and then all along the sides. So you can adjust it so that it's not going to blow around. Once you're done with that, there's a little push-in button on each leg. Push it in, lift it up to adjust it to whatever height you want it, and then you release it and it locks it in. And then you could go around and put the metal stakes in. They give you plenty of those. And this is what the inside of the tent looks like. On the corners, there's Velcro there, Velcro all around the side. The top is water resistant, very easy to put up and take down. I think for this whole procedure it took less than 5 minutes. And to take it down, you just do everything in reverse. You're going to lower it, take off the canopy, then you're going to walk it in towards each other, and it folds back up really easily. And then you just put it back in the bag and you're done. This is perfect for any kind of summer events, even yard sales, vendor shows, if you're going to the beach. I plan on using mine a lot on the outside for my son and my very young daughter. We have a little tiny swimming pool, and to keep the newborn out of the sun, this would work really wonderful. You can find these on Amazon, and I'll put a link below and all the information for this product. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.